Model, 2019 IVECO Daily 35C16 Diesel 2.3 High Roof Van 3520LWB Body, Black, Panel Van Mileage, 197142 MOT, 6 March 2024 Engine, 2287 cc/F1 AGL 411 GC Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Check engine light on due to MAF sensor needs replacing, very simple fix, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, this is a massive van and would be excellent for parcel deliveries and rear opening shutter being accessible easy. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.